Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert rupee symbol in Google Sheets. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. So open your Google Sheets. So we're just going to insert a rupee symbol. So first is you just have to select the cells, the row or column that you want to insert the rupee symbol. So if you want to insert it vertically, that is in column, so just simply select the cells. Okay, now once you have selected that, just simply look at the ribbon at the top and you will find all the tabs. Now simply click on the Format tab and here you'll find Number, and at the bottom, near to the bottom, you'll find Indian Rupee. But if you cannot find the Indian Rupee, just simply click on Custom Currency and then search for Rupee, and then just simply click on Apply. And once you have clicked on Apply, you will find that from here. So simply click on Indian Rupee and click on Apply, and then go back to Format tab, Number, and then you'll find Indian Rupee from here. So simply click on that, and now I'm going to type a number. Okay, so I'm going to type 23, and if I move my cursor down, that will turn, or the Indian Rupee symbol will be inserted into the number. So let me quickly type again, and if I click on the down cell or the cell at the bottom, it will obviously turn into a rupee symbol, or it will be inserted, or the rupee symbol will be inserted into the number. Okay, 100. And I'm just going to click on the cell next to it, and the Indian rupee symbol will be inserted into the number. And that's it. That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.